We're highlighting the Visa trade. It hit 163 on the earnings release that happened momentarily ago. This is an after hour chart. There's your spike. Once again, Visa beats by 3 cents, beats on revs, and they reaffirm fiscal 13 guidance. Okay? So there isn't any real big movement. It spiked to 163 and it's dropped right back to the flat line of that close right here, which is okay. Affirms its financial outlook for the following metrics for fiscal 2013. That's very important. Annual net revenue growth, low double digits. Consensus, plus 11%. Not too bad. Client incentives as a percent of gross revenues, 18 to 18.5% range. Marketing expenses, under $1 billion. Annual operating margin, very careful, about 60%. Tax rate, 30% to 32% range. Adjusted annually now. Adjusted annually diluted Class A common stock earnings per share growth, high teens. Consensus, plus 17%. That was just from the financial outlook part of what we needed to know. The payment volume growth on a constant dollar basis for 3 months ended September 30th, 2012, which that's their fiscal first quarter service revenue is recognized. So basically, there are some good things about the Visa deal. Visa has ran up over a period of time. Right now in the after hours, we are below that closing price and the high of 163. Once again, shorting these headline pops and then buying back. It hit 158 here a moment ago on the lows in after hours. So that's one of the things that we wanted to talk about, was that in that revenue is recognized 6% of the prior year at 1.0 trillion. Payment volume growth. That's the payments, the volume growth from payments is important. So it looks like to me, for the moment, that they have an annual free cash flow of $6 billion. That's their free cash flow. This increase is attributed, or you can say it was due to a tax benefit to be realized during fiscal 2013. Yes. So I'm going to conclude that it was a great short up here at 163, and learning the technique on how to do it with the market maker after hours earnings alert price, and when to spike that up there and when to get it, because once it starts to fall, you can make money by selling short and then buying back down here. You can do these kinds of trades here in after hours with your buying power that we're willing to give you. Please go to stockmarketfunding.com right here at the second lower level now, not the video track player, but down here, SMF Stock Exchange. Click on that. Here you are going to be able to find everything out that you need to know, and here are all the benefits that you get. There's a long list of alerts, and after hours is included. You can get a free 1-day trial with us, and you can watch all live entries like you're watching right now here. So once again, go to the SMF Stock Exchange page. Once again, you're right back up here below that price, and there's that after hours volatility. So Visa's done good, and it will be in investable and or tradable ranges moving forward. The price volatility was 163 on the high and 158 on the low, and we're currently printing off of these other low here of 159 and some change there. That low was 159 and a quarter, so we bounced $1 already in price that you can trade with your buying power that we give you. And we do have that trading capital available for you so that you can use those market maker alerts.